And the next video in the BCM Replacer series. Got the BCM Replacer hooked up with high voltage supply on, set at 163 volts. And we've now got the temperature sensing working and fan control working now, so with the battery fan that is. So anyway, if we look here, I've just got some pots for the temperature sensors for testing. And on the screen here, hopefully you can see that it says temperature high plus 15 degrees, temperature low plus 8 degrees, and temperature average is 11. So it's checking the four sensors and giving us the highest sensor, the lowest sensor, and the average of the four sensors. So if I twiddle the knob, just sit down a second, I can hold the screen rather steadier. So at the moment I've set the levels to if the temperature goes above 25 degrees centigrade, it turns the battery fan on low, so you can see the temperature going up here. 22, 24, 26 it should turn on. Yeah, the battery fan's now on low. I'll turn it back down, it'll just go off again. So if I crank it, keep on cranking it up, and I've set it to plus 35 degrees to go on to high. So it's now turned up to high. You can hear it's chugging away there. I'll just turn that down again. It should turn back to low, and then turn off as I turn it below 25. I haven't done anything with the low end at the moment, but that's not going to be a problem for initial testing because it's summer here, or getting to be summer. So yeah, thanks for everybody's help on the Excel calculations and the lookup table. So I basically generated a lookup table. Well, obviously members here had done some work on that, so I'm grateful for that, and I basically used that. So there's a 255 byte lookup table now in the EEPROM of the PIC chip on the board, and obviously the ADC results are just checked into that, and we know what the temperature is in centigrade. I have added the conversion routine, but I haven't activated it yet for Fahrenheit users. So that's where we are at the moment, just temperature sensing working. Now I've got to start on some of the tricky stuff, adding the control for when the battery's going to charge and when it isn't going to charge, etc, etc. So that's where we are.